Hello and welcome to Cable Ties at 51. I'm going to be trying it with a free bruiser team using T-Dog, Right Gig Glenn and Eugene. Got to admit I've tried it once or twice and had terrible spawns. It is quite spawn dependent, this one. That's a pretty good spawn. Mainly because you don't want either of the points being blocked. So in this instance I am going to use Eugene to go and... No, I'm going to use Right Gig Glenn to go and smash this lot. Hope there's nothing around that corner. And I'm going to open the 2 card boots. So there is one more walker around somewhere. I don't know where though, which is a bit annoying. But either way, I'm going to go and use T-Dog's charge attack on this. And then open that one. I think the other walker's going to be over there somewhere. So let's bring Eugene up here. And get on that. And he's down the bottom. Okay, so let's smash these and hope to get charged back up. 1 charge point. And we've got 2 walkers who are going to hit him. Really annoying. Let's see if I can stun him by pushing. Nice. And I guess I'm going to have to get Eugene to take a hit. Oh, you absolute bastard. You... Alright, let's try it again. So, Cable Ties, level 51, T-Dog, Right Gig Glenn, Eugene. Let's go. Probably not going to have a good start this time, because I had one last time. Oh, that's not bad. Yeah, let's go and smash them again. Open the 2 boot doors. And I'm going to put T-Dog up on this one. And this time, I am going to put Eugene on the other door. Reason being is that Glenn is the one who has Whisperer's Mask. So what we can do is smash these, use Whisperer's Mask on this one, and then we can get out. So yeah, probably best to have Whisperer's Mask on the one who isn't working on the door. Anyway, I hope that helps. I did get 2 good spawns in a row, luckily. Very spawn dependent. I'll try and do a different video with a different team using Princess and Yumiko next time. But thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.